The Intense 5 has a lot going on this week. The emotional speeches at Kobe and Gianna's public memorial.
He always told the girls how beautiful and smart they are. He taught them how to be brave and how to keep pushing forward when things get tough.
He was like a little brother. Everyone always wanted to talk about the comparisons between he and I. I just wanted to talk about Kobe.
Boy, it did rough. On another note, Vanessa Brandt is suing the helicopter company. We'll keep you posted on that.
Yep. Pharrell and Buju in studio. This has to be good. Can't wait to hear what they have planned.
Trinity Carnival. Wow. Looked like so much fun. So you're not saying nothing this time?
No.
True she go. It looked like some people had too much fun and forgot that this is the age that everyone has a phone and data. Wild times.
Yeah. Thank God I didn't see any of that live. Conscience and Wifey look so happy. We just love the love.
We love them in Trinidad too.
Yeah, they look so happy.
And finally holding the spot this week. So Nicki Minaj took her new hubby to Trinity Carnival. Iowa George tried to get her involved in the vibe, but hubby wasn't having it and blocked Iowa from even touching her. Well, the video went viral and everybody took on Nicki and her man. Even though she kind of apologized, I don't think people were really feeling it.
No.
Boy, Nicki, it looked like you have to go leave him at home next time.
Maybe she should have briefed him properly, like, hey, this is what
This
you
is
should
the culture,
expect,
yeah.
you
Because
know?
you're saying him don't understand the culture and blah, 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 but it's just like,
It's one of those things.
Yeah, that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG for the latest in entertainment. We're at TVJ Intense.